everybody, it's Millie with Crafting in My PJs. Welcome to my channel. Today's craft is a very easy Dollar Tree craft, and it is intended for, mine will be intended for fall decoration, but you could change the flowers out and make it whatever season you like. And it is especially for those of us who like to visit the mouse in either Florida or California. So it is I'm hoping, an adorable Disney craft. Um, with that craft, all of our supplies, with this craft, all of our supplies are coming from Dollar Tree. So what I purchased was the two of these. Here, I'll bring you closer. Two of these three-piece brass wreath rings. And they're in this adorable, in this seasonally appropriate goldish color, which I like. I like it so much better than the green, and I think that's great. We can use this to our advantage. I also purchased a few sprays of fall type. Some of these I already had. Fall, this is for another craft I have to repair. I also purchased these at Dollar Tree as well, and we're going to need at least 3 tie wraps. And I did choose the white ones, so they would be, or opaque color ones, so they would be less visible. And then I have my glue gun heating up right here. That's it. That's all that's needed for this craft. So if you'd like to join me, I welcome you. Grab a cup of coffee, sit down, and let's make something cute to hang up this fall. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you are a returning friend, thank you for coming back. For everybody here, please consider going ahead and giving this video a like, and consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already a subscriber. All right, let's get down to the table. All right, so these wreaths are cute, and I see circles, and the immediate thing I think of are mouse ears. I am a Florida enjoyer. I love to go down to Florida and visit the mouse as well as some wizards. So both of those I enjoy. So I see the rings, and the reason we needed 2 was, there's 2 ears. So already I know these are going to be my ears. And do I know? I think we're going to have to use the large ring. I thought maybe it might be the medium ring, but no. It's going to have to be the large. And I might have to pull the camera up. So you see how just putting my 2 rings together with my big ring gives me an adorable mouse shape right there. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of my tie wraps. I do want kind of a break here, but I don't want it to be sliding around. Now, our flowers will cover all of this, so I don't think we really have to worry too much about things showing. Oops, I might have gone too tight. Oh, I went too tight already. All right, let's see. Where are my scissors? Oh, sticky scissors. All right, let's try this again. Take 2. All right, I might have to get off my chair and go get a couple more tie wraps. All right, I'm just doing a little. There we go. Just barely hooking it. All right, and I do kind of want a gap here. So how can I do that? How can I manage that? Let's see. Let's do one like this. Yeah. And then we're going to do one. I am going to have to get off my chair and go find 2 more tie wraps in my toolbox. This is working well. It's, pull it so I get the amount of overlap that I want. And then I just have to make sure that I do the same on the other side. All right, let me go get some more tie wraps. Okay, I actually got a handful so that if I needed some more tie wraps, I could definitely. And I also, these are the smaller tie wraps. Well, I think they're more like medium, but when you're purchasing from Dollar Tree, they're the smaller ones. You can't get, I haven't seen anything smaller unless you get a multi-pack, but they do have some larger ones too. So if this wasn't enough of a distance, I could have gotten the larger tie wrap. All right, let's see if you can see. There's my Mickey head. Isn't it adorable? Now, if you needed a hanger, like something to hang this on your door, you could add a tie wrap at this point. Let's see, I'm going to do it like that. But I have one of those hooks on my door, and so because this is a wire, I don't think I'm going to need to add that. And if I do need to add it, I can add it at the end. I don't know. Do we even need this middle one? I mean, these seem to be pretty stable just as they are. Okay, let's take these out. This one out. It was a good idea to stabilize it while we were getting them on. Okay, there we go. And then you can kind of slide back and forth just the width you want. All right, so now we're going to fill in with some flowers. Fall flowers were what was out at Dollar Tree, and so fall flowers is what I got. And I'm just pulling them off of the stick here, and I'm going to start seeing about where they're going to go, and then I'm going to glue them down, and I'm going to see if I can just glue them straight to the wire, or if I need to take a little piece of wire and wire them on, or if I need to maybe glue a piece of felt across and then glue them to the felt. I'll kind of feel that out as we go. All right, so I just kept adding flowers until I was happy with the flowers. Um, I did have to put a glue mat underneath so it wouldn't ruin my tabletop while things were drying. And then why did I add a bow? Well, I'll tell you why. We definitely need, here, that was drying. Those little clamps come in great, come in so handy. I did add a piece of cardboard to stabilize these pieces, even though I did not feel it was going to be a problem once it was hanging on the door. I just didn't want things to wiggle too much. And so in order to hide some of that, I added this bow on top. It was not my intention to have a bow. I did not really want a bow, and I think I need one more flower right here. Maybe we should do these little balls. I'm determined to use up these little balls here. That'll work. Um, I think it came out very cute, very fall-like, very much a little nod to to Minnie and Mickey. I'm going to prop it up on my little display section so you can see it all in its glory. And I'm going to pull all these strings off. You know, these strings, glue strings. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, guys, don't forget that like, that subscribe. I really appreciate it. And y'all have a great day. I'll see you at the next video. Bye.